Hello and welcome to Two Car Pros. Today we're going to show you how to replace the rear brake pads and rotors on a Subaru Impreza from the years 2012 to the present. The first thing we're going to need to do is remove the wheel. Next, we need to remove the brake caliper. Next, we need to remove the brake pads. Next, we need to remove the brake caliper bracket. Next, we need to remove the brake rotor. Next, we need to compare our old rotor to our new one to make sure that they're identical. Once we're sure that it's identical, we're going to go ahead and transfer the rubber stopper and clean it with carburetor spray. Next, we need to lube the slides on the brake caliper bracket. Next, we need to clean the mating surface on the axle itself. And then replace the brake rotor. Next, we need to replace the caliper bracket. Next, we need to compare our old brake pads with our new ones to make sure that they're identical. Next, reinstall the brake pads. Next, we're going to take a length of tube and attach it to this valve and then loosen it. You can do it without the length of tube, but it's a little messy. Next, we can push the cylinder in the brake caliper back into its housing. Once the system has been pushed back to where it should be, we can go ahead and remove the length of tube and make sure the valve is sealed up nice and tight without any air getting back into the valve. Next, we can put the brake caliper back on. Next, we need to replace the wheel, making sure we bolt it on with a star pattern. Next, we need to replace any brake fluid that we lost earlier. Next, we need to torque the bolts in a star pattern to proper factory specifications. Next, we need to get in the driver's seat and press the brake pedal all the way to the floor very slowly, and then let the brake pedal come up very slowly. Do this until you have a firm pedal. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please visit 2carpros.com.